Hi, I'm Johnny. Let me give you a quick tour of our JUCY Condo and show you the features that will make your adventure more comfortable and enjoyable. The camper van takes 91 unleaded fuel. To open, pull the lever below the right hand side of the driver's wheel, unscrew the cap and start filling. To connect to 240 volt power, the power cord is located in the stepwell of the side door on the driver's side. Attach one end to the vehicle and the other to the campsite power. To fill up your fresh water, locate the freshwater hose in the stepwell of the side door on the driver's side. Attach the hose to the tap and insert into the inlet. Here is where your gas bottle is located. Unlock by pulling the latch up. Turn on the gas bottle by turning the tap anti-clockwise until the tap stops. Please turn off when not in use. To refill the gas, this can be done at some fuel stations. Just look for the LPG label on the petrol station sign. To empty the grey water, remove the grey water hose and connect it to the valve. Pull the handle out towards the back of the vehicle and push it back in once it's been emptied. You can monitor the level by looking at the grey water indicator on your domestic control panel. Your spare tyre is located underneath the back of the vehicle. Your tools are located inside that storage box. The condo is equipped with a fire extinguisher that is located behind the back seats. There is also a smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. To turn on your domestic control panel, just touch the screen. Then press the load button. This indicates the domestic battery's percentage and voltage. This is for the water pump. This is for the outside light, and these indicate the current water level for the fresh and grey water tanks. The condo comes with USB inputs located beside the top bed and below the bottom bed. These run off your domestic battery and can charge small electrical items such as phones or power banks. To use the power points, you need to be plugged into a powered campsite. To operate the lights, make sure the power load button is on your control panel. The roof lights can be turned on by pressing the middle metal circle, and the other lights have their own individual switches. To operate the toilet, make sure the water pump button is on the domestic control panel. To flush, press the blue button to get the desired amount of water. Pull the grey lever on front of the toilet towards you to empty, then push back to close. To empty the cassette, open the cassette door and pull the blue lever up and pull out. Unscrew the pipe and empty. Close off the cassette and insert back in. To use the sink tap, turn on the water pump button on the control panel and open the tap. To operate the fridge, turn on the load button on the control panel. Hold down the power button for 3 seconds on the inside of the fridge. The light will turn on and a blue light will come on. Adjust the temperature by using the arrows. To operate the gas stove, turn on the gas from the bottle. Push and turn the gas knob to full. Push the igniter switch until the gas ignites. Keep holding in the gas knob for about 3 seconds and gently release. To set up the top bed, unclip the netting on both sides. From the middle, pull the handle out towards the kitchen until the bed stops. Set up the bottom bed, pull the bottom frame from the middle and pull towards the back seats. Place a folded cushion on top of the frame. Insert the square cushion between the middle back seats. To set up the table, pinch the table legs in and extend out. Line the hooks on the table to the clips on the wall and push down. To set up the back table, unclip the cord, pinch the table legs in and extend out until it clips into place. Then drop down the table. To set up the curtains, unclip the straps and roll down. Then clip the curtains to the wall. That's it for now. If you need any more information, please check out our help hub online or the handy how-to guide that's in your vehicle. If you have any issues on road, please give us a call. See you later.